TaoTronics 1500 watts PTC fan heater. Let's unbox it. But before we unbox, what is PTC? PTC stands for Positive Temperature Coefficient Heater. So this is unlike traditional heaters where you have coils heating up. This is something that has to do with the paint of the material. They say they have a conductive paint which heats up, and the way it does it is it consumes a lot of power in the initial stages when the when the heater is cold, and then gradually reduces the power consumption as the material heats up. In this method, you can actually save a lot of energy, and it also contributes towards the safety. Alright, so now let's go ahead and unbox it. I bought this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. I have got the tapes. Let's see what's in there. A thank you card, a manual. The name of the brand is TaoTronics, and the model of this product is TT-HE009. There's another model, HE006. They both look alike. The only difference is the user interface and the color. Yeah, this is white and the other one is black, I believe. And yeah, it looks like the instructions are in English. Pretty easy to read. Oh, nice packaging. Drill down. Okay, that was a battery. There is the heater. Oops. Looks like pretty good height. Let's see what else is there. There's the remote and the long-on batteries. I feel happy when they provide batteries because I do not have to run all the way to the shop just to get batteries. So let's go ahead and install the batteries. These are the AAA batteries. Check the polarities. How does this go? Okay, got it. The height of the fan is, or the heater is about 18 inches. It is pretty small. And the reason they call this as a space heater is because it is intended to heat up only a particular space instead of a whole room or the whole house. In fact, it actually heats up a complete room. If it's a small room, maybe like around 10 by 10. So this is how it looks. Yeah, this is the interface I was talking about. This is the main difference between 009 and 006. The 006 comes with a digital display over here for the temperature and maybe a few other indications. We have the power button, we have the temperature, and this is the mode, where we have two modes. That is low power mode, that is probably 900 watts, and then the high power mode which runs at 1500 watts. And we also have an eco mode which I will show you later, that balances between the low power mode and the high power mode to maintain the ambient temperature. and then we have the timer, and this is the oscillation. The oscillation is about 65 to 70 degrees. So let's plug it in and then see how it works. The plug comes with a safety cap, and you can only insert this in a single direction. Okay, as soon as you plug it in, you see this indication that says the plug is connected. Now let's turn this on. Maybe I'll try with the remote to check if it works. Okay, it works. You have all the features in the remote which are the same over the interface. So in case if you lose the remote, you can control the heater with this. Oh, it's already hot. This is the thing about the PTC heater. It is already hot. It heats up within 3 seconds. Now the temperature is set to 85 degrees. We can change it from 65, 70, 75, 80 and 85. 85 should be good enough for most places. Next we have the mode setting. We have high power, low power and eco mode. Eco mode balances the temperature somewhere around 75 degree Fahrenheit, which should be good, and it is power saving, so I like it. And we have the timer, 1 hour, 2 hours. We basically add the numbers that are displayed. So this is 3 hours, 4 hours, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so basically you can set from 1 hour to 7 hours. In case if you leave the heater on for more than 12 hours, there's a safety feature that automatically turns it off. Lastly, we have the oscillation that oscillates between 65 to 70 degrees wide. As you can see, it moves back and forth continuously, which helps in equally distributing the heat all over the room. I personally like this feature a lot. Now there are few other safety features that I really like. That is turn off the oscillation. So this is called trip protection or fall protection. So let us consider the heater fell for some reason, and if you have a carpet or something that can burn, there are high chances that it would burn because of the heat, and the heater turns off after indicating an alarm. Let us turn this back on. The heater also comes with a overheating protection feature that protects it from obvious consequences. And the final thing I wanted to talk about is, okay, let's power this off, and the fan is still running. This is to cool off the heater before it turns off. If not, the heat always rises up, so it might damage the upper surface or the upper portion of the heater. And yeah, it's off. The indicator is still on that says the plug is connected, and you can see the plug is connected. If we turn off if we disconnect the plug, it goes off. And that's it. Time to enjoy my new heater. See you in the next video. Bye bye.